Here Sri Aurobindo said of the secret of transformation which Indian systems lost this secret. He says, in the ancient Indian system, there is only one true supernal, Satchidananda. Or if you speak of the upper hemisphere as the supernal, there are three, Sat plane, Chit plane, and Ananda plane. The supermind could be added as a fourth, as it draws upon the other three and belongs to the upper hemisphere. The Indian systems did not distinguish between two quite different powers and levels of consciousness, one which we can call overmind, and the other the true supermind or divine gnosis. That is the reason why they got confused about Maya, that is overmind force or Vidya Avidya, and took it for the supreme creative power. In so stopping short at what was still a half-light, they lost the secret of transformation, even though the Vaishnava and Tantra yogas groped to find it again and were sometimes on the verge of success. For the rest, this, I think, has been the stumbling block of all attempts at the discovery of the dynamic divine truth. I know of none that has not imagined, as soon as it felt the overmind lustures descending, that this was the true illumination, the gnosis, with the result that they either stopped short there and could get no further, or else concluded that this too was only Maya or Lila, and there the one thing to do was to get beyond it into some immovable and inactive silence of the Supreme. This is Sri Aurobindo's revelation in the history of the world, which was before him undiscovered, we may say so. This text is quoted from Letters on Yoga 1, from Classification of the Parts of the Being.